Hello and welcome to Connecticut Backcountry. I'm Gary. It's February 1st. It's fantastic. Light fog all the way around. Good atmosphere for a fire. And decided to come up and make breakfast. Got this thing. It's pretty nifty. It's called a Hobo pie maker. I'm making breakfast in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple slices of bread, one on each side, egg on top, a little bit of kielbasa, a little bit of shredded cheese, stuff like that. Call it good. Close it up and put it on the fire and let it cook. Let's see how that comes out. Oh no, the battery's dying. Since these two are new and they are cast iron, I decided to spray them with a little bit of oil and toss them in the fire. Get a little bit of a season on them. It's nice because it gives them that typical dark colored cast iron look anyway. You can see the difference. It's a new one, hasn't been used yet. That's the one I just put in the fire. While those two heat, all my stuff. These, they make bowls. Cracked a couple eggs in there. Oh, broke one open already. And I'm just going to beat them up. Take these, set these over here, let them cool. Alright, so the cooler, do this real quick. Wipe out any junk inside there. The bread's too big, I think. Yeah. Which is good, you want your bread to be slightly bigger than the pie maker itself. What I'm going to do is push down, cut it, and I'm going to make a dimple in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Set up the other camera in a second, the other piece. And in that dimple, I'm going to put some tomatoes. Couple tomatoes. Some mushroom pieces. A little bit of kielbasa. Cheese. Oh yeah. And some egg. Oop. Try to land the egg inside the hole. Pour nice and slow. So next time we put the cheese on top, so we don't run into the same problem. Little wipey leaf. Alright, so this one I'm going to press off the top, but I'm not going to, oops. But I'm not going to squish it. Yuck. I made a mess. So that's that for that one. And we're just going to put that right on the fire. Gonna flip it every couple of minutes. So I'm going to set this piece of bread in here. Press down. So it's cut off. And then Mash that down, make a little dimple, flip that one. Thinking I could probably get away with only one egg. Pour that right in there. Kielbasa. Couple bits of mushroom. Few bits of tomato. And some cheese. Ooh, a lot of cheese. And turn this again. And squish. Less mess. Alright, check this one again. It looks really good. It's kind of poofy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not yet. Alright. Let's see what this looks like. Gooey, cheesy, breakfasty sandwich. It's a good breakfast sandwich. think, however, I'm going to take this one home because this one's probably going to fill me up. Want a bite? Thanks for having breakfast with me. If you like this video, like, subscribe. There'll be more to come. I'm thinking about doing more cooking videos because I really enjoy cooking over the fire and I like to eat. Have a great day.